Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to do something different I've never really done on the channel. Is an unboxing, or in this case an unpackaging video. This one's not going to be too crazy. This one's pretty small. The package is from Kelly's Militaria, and he sells a lot of great German World War II reenacting items, and this is a little something I picked up. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. As you can see, it's not been opened yet or anything. I just got it in the mail about 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then I'll cut the camera right back on. Okay, so here's what we got. We have a SA Sports Badge, or known later in the war as the SA Defense Badge. And this one's in bronze. Really nice quality. And on the back we have the latch where you can hook it to the award loops on the tunic, and there is also maker's markings on the arms of the swastika. Pretty nice little badge. This one here is in bronze, like I said. The qualifications for this one was for you to pass like an educational course and certain like physical fitness tests, such as like combatives, I believe like gymnastics or something like that. I forget the exact physical requirements, but I know some was like military combatives and stuff. And you didn't have to be an SA member to obtain this award. You just had to pass the qualifications, and then you would receive this. Overall, I'm really satisfied with it. And as you can see here, it's from Kelly's Militaria. There's their website, and they are also on Facebook as well. So I think I'm going to start doing some more unboxing videos, because it seems like a popular thing people do like. I know this is just a small one, but it's my first one I've ever done, and today I'm kind of busy doing some things, so I don't have a lot of time to do a big one. If I would have got it in, I'd have to wait till next week. But either way, stay tuned for more of this. I'm going to be having some more cool stuff arrive in the mail around next week as well. And I have some more packages from Kriegszende coming from Germany. And late this month, some cool original items, so I'll be sure to do an unboxing video of that and let you guys check out what I got. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right now. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. So, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.